Hello and welcome to Engineer Explorer. In today's video, we are going to answer a common question: what is the best certificate for data analysts? As you may know, data analysis is a broad field that involves collecting, processing, analyzing, and communicating data to support decision making. Data analysts can work in various domains such as business, finance, marketing, healthcare, education, and more. Depending on the domain and the level of expertise, data analysts may use different tools and techniques such as Excel, SQL, Python, R, Tableau, Power BI, and more. So, how do you prove your skills and knowledge as a data analyst? Well, one way is to get a certificate from a reputable organization or platform that validates your abilities and shows your potential employers that you are qualified for the job. But which certificate should you choose? There are so many options out there that it can be overwhelming and confusing. To help you narrow down your choices, we have compiled a list of some of the most popular and recognized certificates for data analysts. These are: Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. This certificate demonstrates your ability to use Microsoft Power BI to design and create data visualizations and reports that provide insights from data. You need to pass one exam, DA100, to earn this certificate. The exam costs $165 USD and covers topics such as preparing data, modeling data, visualizing data, and analyzing data. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Coursera offers this certificate and teaches you the fundamentals of data analysis using Google tools such as Sheets, SQL, and Data Studio. You need to complete 8 courses and a capstone project to earn this certificate. The courses are self-paced and cost $39 United States per month. The courses cover topics such as asking questions with data, preparing data for analysis, processing data with SQL, analyzing data with statistics, and visualizing and presenting data. IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. This certificate is also offered by Coursera and teaches you how to use IBM tools such as Watson Studio, Cognos Analytics, and DB2 to perform data analysis tasks. You need to complete 9 courses and a capstone project to earn this certificate. The courses are self-paced and cost $39 United States per month. The courses cover topics such as data analysis with Python, data visualization with Python, databases, and SQL for data science, data analysis with Excel, and more. SAS Certified Specialist, Base Programming using SAS 9.4. This certificate demonstrates your ability to use SAS programming to manipulate and analyze data. You need to pass one exam, 00231, to earn this certificate. The exam costs $180 USD and covers topics such as importing and exporting raw data files, manipulating and transforming data, combining SAS datasets, creating basic detail and summary reports using SAS procedures, and identifying and correcting data syntax and programming logic errors. These are just some of the certificates that you can consider if you want to boost your resume and career as a data analyst. Of course, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of the best certificate for data analysts. It depends on your goals, interests, background, and budget. Do your own research and compare the pros and cons of each option before making a decision. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments below which certificate you are interested in or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Engineer Explorer.